So Dan, how's your research regarding alcoholism in the family coming along?
It's been very interesting. According to an all-psych journal entry titled Alcoholism and Its Effect on the Family by Tatiana Parsons, it is said that alcoholism in an individual must show signs of physiological, psychological, and behavioral problems before it's diagnosed.
That's correct. Physiological problems can include hand tremors and blackouts. Psychological problems often include an obsessive desire to drink, and behavioral problems usually disrupt social and/or work life.
Alcoholism is much more prevalent of an issue than I thought. According to the U.S. Department of Health, 1 out of every 4 American families have problems with alcohol.
Indeed. And the effects of parental alcoholism are just as prevalent. Fetal alcohol syndrome is one of the top 3 known causes of birth defects. The severe effects on normal children of alcoholics range from low self-esteem, loneliness, guilt, feelings of helplessness, fears of abandonment, and chronic depression.
I found that because crime and violence are associated with alcoholism, incest and battery are common in alcoholics' families. Almost 30% of father-daughter incest cases and 75% of domestic violence cases involve an alcoholic family member.
Codependency also becomes an issue in alcoholic families. Codependency is an unconscious addiction to another person's abnormal behavior. Did you find any information related to this?
Yes. According to an adolescents publicized article titled "Why Some Children of Alcoholics Become Alcoholics: Emulation of the Drinker" by Albert Elman and Alan Ormstein, it is said that alcohol use disorders are associated with an increased risk of offspring alcohol use disorders, which are independent of other significant predictors such as gender and parental social status. Emulation and identification within the family are stated as the primary reason why some children develop the disease. Why do you think this is the case?
Because most children emulate their parents' actions because they usually choose role models who have control over desired resources. Were you able to find any information regarding how families dealing with alcoholism cope with their problem?
Yeah. According to an article in Addictive Behaviors from the University of Buffalo written by Laurie Kakadurian, titled "Parental Alcoholism, Negative Parenting, and the Mediating Role of Marital Satisfaction," it is said that having a strong marital relationship with your partner can mediate some of the troubles experienced in alcoholic families. Many people also enroll themselves in Alcoholics Anonymous, which helps patients psychologically deal with their disease.
Ah, yes. Alcoholics Anonymous has really helped me overcome my drinking problem I developed from watching the Red Sox blow their playoff chances this past September. In regards to marital satisfaction, satisfaction of being with an intimate partner can help alleviate some of the stress in some families, but in most cases, alcoholism still proves to be an overwhelming problem for inside the family.
Well, sir, that's all the information I have today. I hope that was what you were looking for.
Yes, Dan. Great work. Take the rest of the day off. I happen to have an AA meeting in 20 minutes.